Are you tired of the endless scroll, sifting through so-called side hustles that promise the world but deliver pennies? You've tried the surveys that pay less than minimum wage. You've signed up for the gig apps that have you running around town for pocket change. You're putting in the hours, but your bank account barely notices. It's frustrating, demoralizing, and it feels like you're stuck in a cycle of low-value work that's draining your energy without filling your wallet. You see others online seemingly cracking the code, achieving financial freedom, while you're just trying to make ends meet. What if I told you the problem isn't your work ethic? It's the vehicle you're using. You're trying to win a Formula One race with a go-kart. It's time to stop trading your valuable time for insignificant returns. Forget the noise. Forget the flops. We're going to focus on 5 proven high-leverage business models that have the genuine potential to generate $500 a day or more. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They are scalable businesses that reward skill, strategy, and consistency. Let's dive in. First up, high-ticket freelance copywriting. This isn't about writing $5 blog posts. This is about crafting persuasive sales messages that directly generate revenue for businesses. Think long-form sales pages, email launch sequences, or video sales letter scripts. Why is it so valuable? Because your words become a 24/7 salesperson for your client. A single powerful sales page can be responsible for hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. That's why a business will happily pay you a premium for it. One strong sales page can easily net you $1,000, $3,000, even $5,000 plus a percentage of the sales. Do the math. Landing just 1 or 2 of these clients a month puts you well on your way to that $500 day target. So, how do you start? First, specialize. Don't be a generalist. Pick a high-growth niche you're interested in, like SaaS, health and wellness, or financial tech. Become the go-to expert for that industry. Second, build a portfolio. If you don't have clients yet, create spec pieces. Find a product you love and rewrite its sales page to be 10 times better. This demonstrates your skill without needing permission. Third, learn the fundamentals of direct response copywriting. Study the greats, like Gary Halbert and Eugene Schwartz. Understand the psychology of persuasion, problem, agitation, solution. The biggest pitfall here is thinking you're just a writer. You're not. You're a sales professional who uses words as your tool. Your success is measured in conversions, not prose. Another pitfall is not charging what you're worth. If you can generate $50,000 for a client, asking for $2,000 is more than fair. Your action step: pick a niche today. Then, find one product in that niche with a weak sales page and spend this weekend rewriting it. That's your first portfolio piece. Second on our list is a modern take on e-commerce. Premium Shopify stores powered by AI-driven product research. The old way was to guess what might sell, order 1,000 units from China, and pray. The new way is to use data to make informed decisions. We're talking about leveraging AI tools to analyze market trends, identify underserved customer needs, and find products with a high potential for success before you invest a single dollar in inventory. These tools can scan social media, search trends, and competitor sales data to pinpoint winner products. The process looks like this. Use AI tools to validate demand. Find a reliable supplier, often one that allows for dropshipping initially to minimize risk. Build a clean, trustworthy Shopify store around that single winning product or a small, curated collection. Then, you launch a winner and use targeted ads on platforms like Facebook or TikTok to drive traffic and scale fast. Let's look at the math. Say you find a product you can source for $15 and sell for $50. That's a $35 profit margin. If your ads cost you $15 to acquire one customer, you're still making $20 profit per sale. To hit $500 a day, you'd need to make 25 sales. With a well-optimized ad campaign, that is entirely achievable. The main pitfall is getting attached to a product idea that the data doesn't support. You must be ruthless and follow the numbers. Another is poor customer service, which can kill your brand overnight. Your action step: sign up for a free trial of a product research tool. Spend 2 hours this evening just exploring trends and getting a feel for what's hot in the market. Third, we have SaaS affiliate marketing, specifically focusing on recurring commissions. SaaS stands for software as a service. Think of tools like email marketing platforms, project management software, or design tools that businesses pay for every single month. Many of these companies will pay you a commission, not just once, but every month for as long as the customer you referred stays with them. This is the holy grail: recurring revenue. You do the work once to get the customer, and you get paid over and over again. The key is to choose the right products and build an audience that trusts your recommendations. Don't just spam links. Create genuinely helpful content that solves a problem for your target audience. This could be a YouTube channel reviewing project management tools for contractors, a blog that compares email marketing software for authors, or a TikTok account showing cool tricks for a specific design tool. Let's imagine you promote a tool that costs $100 a month and pays a 30% recurring commission. That's $30 per month, per customer. If you sign up just one new customer every other day, after a year you'd have 182 customers. That's over $5,400 in monthly recurring revenue. One big account, or many small ones, equals a steady, predictable income stream that grows over time. The biggest pitfall is impatience. Building a trusted audience doesn't happen overnight. The second is promoting products you don't believe in, which will destroy your credibility. Your action step: identify 3 SaaS tools you already use and love. Go to their websites and look for an affiliates or partners link in the footer. See what their programs offer. Fourth on our list is creating paid newsletters and memberships around your niche content. In a world of information overload, people are willing to pay for curated, high-value content that saves them time and helps them achieve a specific goal. This is about becoming the trusted source for a very specific group of people. Maybe it's a weekly newsletter for vintage guitar collectors, a membership community for first-time marathon runners, or a paid resource hub for vegan parents. The key is niche. The more specific your audience, the more valuable your content becomes. You can start with a free newsletter to build an audience and then offer a premium version for a monthly fee. This premium tier could include deep dive articles, expert interviews, access to a private community, or monthly Q&A sessions. Let's say you charge $10 a month. To get to $500 a day, or $15,000 a month, you'd need 1,500 subscribers. That sounds like a lot, but if you provide immense value, it's very achievable over time. Those monthly fees add up quickly and create a stable, predictable revenue base. The pitfall here is inconsistency. If people are paying you, you have to deliver on schedule every time. Another is not providing enough value to justify the price, leading to high churn. Your action step: brainstorm 10 niche topics you know a lot about. For each one, ask yourself, is there a group of people who would pay to get my expertise on this every week? Finally, our fifth hustle is creating a premium online course with cohort-based coaching. People don't just buy information anymore. They can get that for free on Google. They buy transformation, results, and accountability. This model combines the scalability of a pre-recorded online course with the high-touch support of live coaching. You teach what you know to a group or cohort of students who go through the material together over a set period, like 6 or 8 weeks. The course content provides the what, and the live coaching provides the how, offering personalized feedback, Q&A, and community support. Because of this added layer of access and accountability, you can charge a premium. Instead of a $97 self-paced course, a cohort-based course can be priced at $1,000, $2,000, or more. If you charge $1,500 for an 8-week program and enroll just 20 students, that's $30,000 in revenue for one cohort. Run a few of these a year, and you've built a massively profitable business. The biggest pitfall is promising a result you can't deliver. Your curriculum must be rock solid and designed to get students from A to B. Another is underestimating the time commitment of the live coaching component. You have to show up and be present for your students. Your action step: what is one skill you have that other people ask you for help with? It could be anything from baking sourdough bread to running Facebook ads. That's the seed of your premium course. So there you have it, 5 powerful, scalable side hustles. But you might be thinking, is this real? Does this actually work? The proof is all around you. People are already doing these things successfully every single day. They're landing high-ticket clients, they're having successful product launches, they're building massive recurring subscription revenue. The opportunity is there, the models are proven, the only missing ingredient is you taking decisive action. I know this can feel overwhelming, which is why I want to help you get started right now. I've created a free, fast start checklist that breaks down the first crucial steps for each of these 5 hustles. It's a no-fluff guide designed to get you from idea to action. Want that fast start checklist? Hit the link in the description below. And for those of you who are truly serious about making a change this week, when you grab the checklist, you'll also get access to my 1-week action plan. This plan lays out a daily task list to help you launch your chosen side hustle in just 7 days. Stop trading time for pennies. Start building a high-income skill that can change your financial future. The choice is yours, but the time to act is now. Click the link, get your resources, and let's make 2026 your year.